99% of people think you need a camera to make money on YouTube. But what if I told you that's completely false? Most people never start a YouTube channel because they're shy, they don't have a good camera, or they think they're not good enough on screen, and because of that, they miss one of the biggest opportunities online. Today, I'll show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools, step by step. Even if you have zero experience, if you want to succeed, you need the right niche, don't overthink it. Choose one of these proven niches: make money online, self-improvement, AI tools, facts psychology. Rule number 1, solve a clear problem. Example, instead of self-improvement, do how to stop procrastination. Every viral video follows a simple structure: hook, problem, solution, value. Call to action. Example hook, you're wasting your time every day without realizing it. Keep your sentences short, make it emotional, make people curious. Now let's make it easy using AI. Use ChatGPT to write your script, use Canva to design thumbnails, use CapCut to edit your videos. You don't need experience, you just need consistency. Your thumbnail is everything. Follow these rules: big bold text, 3 to 5 words max, high contrast colors, emotional image. Example, no face equals money. If people don't click, you don't get views. Once you start getting views, you can make money with YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, selling digital products. Some faceless channels are making thousands of dollars every month. If you're serious about making money online, start today, don't wait. Don't overthink, and if you want more videos,